Tilted or what?
Yeah. By the way, this wasn't a trash talking 1v1. This was just
No,
a
this is
1v1.
fine. Yeah, this is chill. It's fine. I'm gonna, if you lose, it's embarrassing, that's all I can say. This is my second day on the new key bindings.
So when are you gonna 1v1 ninja?
I mean, I already did. I got trap box in the last one.
Yeah, that was complete bullshit though. It was a close fight at least.
I'm gonna blame the fact that I was tilted beyond space and time.
What's up?
Nothing.
Yo, how do you want to do this? Because people do it differently all the time.
Come up to my wall and I'll just edit it through and we both just walk forward.
Oh,
and,
you're one of those guys? Alright.
Yeah, sure. And well, I'm not any. I don't do this. I just saw this.
Wait, hold
one.
up. Can we do a practice run first, just to see how good you are?
A practice run?
Yeah. My fingers are a little stiff, so gotta get them going, you know?
I mean,
I'm not even trolling, like, I haven't played all day.
do a 1x1 then or something. If we do a practice
Do a 1x1?
Yeah, that's
a one.
You don't know what
Wait.
just build something. I don't know. I don't want to do a warm-up run because I'm Super Saiyan right now. I'm not shortening my lifespan for no reason. Alright, there, you're warmed. Let's go.
Oh, alright. Nice and cozy?
Yeah, you're warmed. Easy. Now, build this, and then we gotta go 2 up, I think.
Wait.
So we build 1 ramp, and then just go from there.
We have to go 3 up, so here, and then 1 more, and then we can turn around and start running.
Okay, sure.
I have to get more wood, though. Unless you made me waste it.
I didn't make you do shit.
Alright, you ready?
Alright. Okay,
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm gonna do it any second. Alright.
Oh my god. That's a fucking... Oh, are we shooting out or no? I forgot.
Toothpaste? I mean, good thing I had to talk and fucking answer this Howard while I'm fucking playing the game.
Sorry, what'd you say? Yes or no?
I don't know! I'm trying to build battle, not talk!
Where are you going there? You're trapped, eh?
Goodbye, sir! Good fucking night!
That's absolutely cancer.
I don't care, you lost!
You know I said best of 3, right?
You lost!
Best of 3. Let's go, kid. Bring those cheeks here. You screamed in my ear, so that's a disqualification.
No, you asked the question as I'm trying to ramp up, and I tried to answer and fucked my build. I don't care.
So I never got an answer, though.
You got me to stop building. That's better than whatever answer you would have gotten. Yes, shooting out. I don't care. Shoot out, knock down.
I'll try now. It's okay.
You're transferring this 1,000 to my bank account, and then I'm out of here.
What?
You have metal? Drop it if you have metal.
I don't have metal. Do you have metal?
No, I dropped it because I'm not a Howard. Okay, you ready?
Wait, what? Hold up. What's a Howard?
You right now.
Definition. All right, let's go. All right, my sprint button's broken, so this is automatic. What the fuck is going on here, man? This is absolute cancer.
Hey! Fucking shit!
The fuck did you do? Are you okay?
Did you just fucking rift?
It's called pro strats. What are you saying? Okay, hold up. Do not kill me. I'm boxing in, fixing my sprint.
Okay, killing you now.
Bro.
I'll be taking that $1,000. PayPal.com VonMatt_/PayPal. Good fucking night! A good fucking night! I literally can't even pyramid and you lost!
Why do you have to cheat? Which is I don't understand. I think that's fair?
Why do I have what?
Alright, wait, why do you have to cheat?
What do you mean?
I called timeout.
I waited, and then you started moving, and so you were good. What do you mean? I could have fucking clapped that ass.
Alright. What's your PayPal?
What do you mean? You know, it's on my stream.
Lee Moon?
No, it's on my stream.
Alright, hold up. Wait, no, what? You're trying to finesse me. We gotta go again.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
It was 2 out of 3.
It's a best of 3.
I beat you twice.
We were doing the practice one the first time,
You're
remember?
retarded! I said no practice!
Are you drunk? I heard you.
I literally said no practice. I said I'm going Super Saiyan, it would shorten my lifespan. There, you lost again.
So now what?
What do you mean? Now you send me the money and I leave and go about my business.
Come on, Dellor. You know that's not fair, bro.
What do you mean? It's completely fair. Fine, we can go one more time.
Alright, if I beat you, I get a chance at redemption. Because that was complete bullshit.
There's no redemption, you already lost.
You're hacks. You're hacking. Or some shit.
What, I edited your thing and shot you in the face. It's pretty simple.
What happened to my health? Where are you?
At your Drake site.
Oh shit, you're hiding? Alright, let's go. Hopefully you won't cheat this time.
Bro. I said it, but you can't aim, so you're dead anyway.
Excuse me? Alright. There it goes. GG's, my guy.
VonMatt at PayPal.com. Or VonMatt at gmail.com, my PayPal.
What?
VonMatt at gmail.com, my PayPal. Yeah, happy birthday, Billy. Are you gonna send the money or what?
Yeah. You haven't told me the email you.
It's on my. Don't say that again, first of all. I told you it 10 times, second of all.
10 times.
Third of all.
What the fuck are you?
Third of all, it's on my Twitch. You're dead again. Just give up. You're literally pickaxed, dude.
I didn't even know we were.
You're actually pickaxed. Just quit.
Big back, smelly Dellor.
Hey!
Dellor, I tricked you there.
Send the money.
Alright. You told me the fucking email.
It's on my stream. You have 30 seconds.
It's not on your stream. It says bits.
Donate now.
Okay, are you gonna tell me? Hello?
No, but I'm gonna put you in the fucking spawn queue again.
You're gonna put me what?
You're pickaxed again, bro. Just give up. You're pickaxed again. Send the money.
Okay, honestly, what is it though?
It's on my stream, you fucking moron. There's a button.
What do you mean on your stream?
There's a big donate button that says donate.
Yeah, bits. I already.
No, it's not bits. I'm going to ban you. This isn't funny.
I'm not joking.
There's a donate button on my stream. It says donate in huge letters, dude.
Okay, alright, 1 sec. 1,000, right?
That's what, yeah.
Alright. I just gotta go in my Monopoly box real quick. Hold up.
Okay, I'm actually okay. Alright, I'm gonna ban you. Ban him from everything. Where's he at? Good times, I guess. Oh, man!
More bits. Hey, Dellor. We're usually dominating. The question is, are we dominating today?
Mm-hmm.
D dominate this for cockboy.